Hey YouTube, this is my Coleman generator. It's like kind of a camp generator. Has 1,750 watts. It's very small. It's more of a, like I said, camping type. It is extremely quiet for its I'm used to really big ones and they're pretty loud. We got this at an auction about 3 months ago, and it has the same gas. It's really fuel efficient, but the carb is just a little unstable at times. I think it just might need the adjusting screw tightened or loosened. I'm going to do a load test with the top part of that vacuum and the electric chainsaw, which has a bad clutch, but the motor still uses electricity a lot. And yep, I do like it. It's been running just a little bit before I started, so it's gonna start right up. You have to leave it choked a little for it to run real stable. So, but that's okay. Gotta choke it all the way to start it though. It's pretty quiet. Your car if your car battery's dead. That's really handy. We've used it a couple of times. Now I'm going to do the load test. Anyways, I do recommend this generator. It's just that, and that was a pretty big load. 16-gallon vacuum. Well, the base isn't on it, but and a turbo electric Craftsman chainsaw with a bad clutch. That is a huge load. And yes, the problem I need to fix is the pull cord. I need to oil it. So please subscribe, and I do appreciate comments. Thank you.